Buehler retires him with a 97-mile-per-hour fastball to open this night. He's laid on a fastball at 98. Walker's got it all working again so far tonight. Any night could be the night. Fastball gets him looking. Goes to the slider there to get Rogers for the first out of the third, and already his 4th K. So why doesn't he just do that?
That's the curveball that will make nights really special.
He's perfect once through the order, and I mean 2-2. Cracked to center field. Desmond back on it. Cody Bellinger, number 25. Oh, 2 pitch. He went around, and strike 3 of Ryan McMahon. And another strikeout for Walker Buehler. He's given up just 1 base runner over the first 5 innings. That one doesn't need a called strike. He gets a swing and a miss from Walters. 9 Ks for Buehler. Or can I just say Droosh again? 10 Ks for Walker Buehler. He gets Arenado and has matched his season high with 11 Ks. Did he go? He did, and Walker Buehler with a dozen strikeouts tonight. Here's an 0-2. Got him swinging. A new career high for Walker Buehler. 13 Ks against the top offense in the National League. Hit sharply into center field for a base hit. This night belongs to Walker Buehler. He got him with a fastball that hits 98 with his 102nd pitch tonight. Breaking ball that he offered at, and 15 strikeouts for Walker Buehler. Here's 1-2. He struck him out. 16 Ks. The 1-0 pitch. Beatty drives the ball to center field and deep. At the wall. It's gone! Matt Beatty, walk-off home run!
The first walk-off home run at the big league level, a bullet to right field. Take me through the sensation when that ball goes off the bat. Did you think it was going out?
Well, I mean, first off, Walker was brilliant tonight. We really wanted to get him a win. And then Max Muncy battled, he got 2 strikes down in the count early, battled that at bat, and I don't know, I just felt good walking to the plate. And I just wanted to get the barrel to the ball, and it happened.
You got the barrel to the ball, the heart's beating out of the chest. Explain what this feels like to be able to contribute in this way, the first walk-off home run at this level.
Oh, it's awesome. I felt like I was floating around the bases.
What about this crowd that stayed for this one?
It's awesome. The crowd's awesome. They show up every night, and it's fun to give them a win like this.
You guys are a Major League best, 52 wins already this season. What makes this club so special? Every single guy up and down that lineup, like yourself, contributing.
I think it's just depth. Anybody, whenever at the plate, whenever they're on the mound, good things can happen.
You talked about the fact that you knew that there's an expectation to win with this club. How much did you expect to win it for this club when you stepped into the box?
I mean, I felt confident walking up to the plate, and that's what you got to do.
When the fastball and the slider's working that well, does it give you the freedom to continue to work that curve as well along in the outing?
Yeah, you got to be able to slow him down somehow, and that's a curveball for me. So laying in a few of them early, throwing some good sliders early, obviously, gets you kind of going, and that's about it.
16 Ks is a career high. Congratulations on that mark. What does it mean to you to be able to be that dominant, that efficient?
Yeah, I mean, it got some calls, got some bad swings and some counts, and just try and throw strikes. And when you throw strikes, typically good things happen. Obviously, Arenado and Blackman, both really good players, and hit some, 2 bad pitches and maybe the 2 worst pitches of the night. But that's why they're pros. So, pretty good night for us. You
were able to pitch out of the windup the majority of the time. Only I think one time you had somebody on first base. How much was that? Does that allow you to just be so much more efficient and less wear and tear on the body? Yeah, you get more into a rhythm. I think when you're kind of flip flopping, it can mess with you a little bit at times. But luckily, stayed out of it for the most part. But a little tough on the brain when it's probably the biggest spot of the game against one of the best hitters in the game. But worked out for us.